Hello, here's the car tuning station. This is the activation ambient light for W213 Benz E-Class. This product available for the E-Class after 2016. Need a car original with the 64 colors or Monte Carlo. You see the detail? Here's the center console. See, it's a plug and play module. Yeah. This is the center console, the dashboard center console. And what we need to connect is the power, this power, and the GND, and this CAN bus cable. Okay. And you see the door, full door, see here? It is plug and play with the door to get powered. Plug and play with the door module. See? Switch here. Very easy to install. See? Is a complete set. Plug and play. If you're interested, please contact us.